What's it like when volcanoes blow? This is something you ought to know. Do you know what causes a volcanic eruption? What effects these eruptions have? I wonder. The Earth's made up of four main layers: the inner core, the outer core, the mantle, and the crust. The Earth's outer crust is broken up into huge thick plates called tectonic plates. They look a lot like jigsaw pieces within a jigsaw puzzle. Under the tectonic plates is a hot mobile layer of partially molten rock lying within the Earth's upper mantle. The moving magma, combined with the constantly spinning Earth, builds pressure. The magma then bursts through the cracks between the tectonic plates. This ultimately causes a volcanic eruption. When you look at this gripping picture, what do you see? Loss? Devastation? A picture can say 1,000 words, but what do you see?